to show everybody. It's this little power bank charger, and it has a few different features that are really cool. As you can see, it's literally charging right now. And the reason that is because it's got a high efficiency solar cell in there. It's actually multiple cells, but anyway, the whole gist of it is that when it's out collecting light, and it doesn't even have to be that much, it will actually charge the battery, which is amazing. So if you're away from any type of chargers or in the plane or, you know, whatever, this thing is just constantly charging itself. Of course, on the side, you have a connection where you can connect a micro USB that's included in it, just right up to a regular, you know, laptop or wall wart type thing to charge it up. But the solar cells will do a pretty good job charging it. I haven't even actually ran this down, so I don't know how long it takes to fully recharge this in light. One of the things that I stray away with is keeping this in direct sunlight while I'm flying. That's kind of not a good thing, but every once in a while I'll get it up to the sunlight, you know, before it gets, you know, too hot, and that way I'm, you know, trying to be as safe as possible up there, because I don't want to throw this out the window. So it's got the solar charger, it's got the micro USB. Another cool feature is it's got multiple ports here, and if you can notice, or if the camera's picking it up, it has one 1 amp port and two 2 amp ports. So the big deal about these guys is it can charge a full-size iPad. I have an iPad Air. That thing charges very well, very quickly with these 2 amps. Also, you can plug in something into all 3 if you want. I'm kind of against that if you're drawing a lot, because this won't last very long. However, check this out. It's got a huge battery assembly in there. It's 2400 milliamps, so 88.8 watt hours. This will last for a very long time, especially if you're using just the 1 amp deal. I just came in from a 2-hour 45-minute flight, give or take, and literally I was using this to power my XM radio, and as you can see, only one of the little lights is off. This means that it's charged up to that point. So last thing, of course, if you've probably noticed, it has the little lights, which are pretty cool, 2 LED lights, so it comes in handy if you need a backup or secondary flashlight. You just double click this bad boy and boom, there we go. It's daytime, so kind of hard to see, but I think you get the gist. So I'll put a link below. This thing is great. I love it. Not affiliated, not sponsored. I have no idea who even makes this thing. I just got it a little while ago on a whim. I said, hey, that looks pretty cool. The reviews are awesome. Let's give it a try, and if I like it, I'll share it with you guys, and here we are. So pick one of these guys up. You will not regret it. It is pretty amazing. I don't think it's over 30 bucks. So this is going to be my primary. Before, it used to be this huge guy, which is a little overkill. Thing I do like about it, this one, is it's got the place for the AC, but it, you know, I actually, believe it or not, some of them use that. So this is going to be my main go-to guy. Just throw it in your flight bag, carry it around with you, throw it wherever there's light, and it will be charging. So stay safe, guys, and until next time, see ya.